Artificial intelligence. It's changing everything, from the apps on our phones to how doctors diagnose diseases. It feels like the future is here, and in many ways it is. But there's a catch, a hidden problem that could derail all this progress: bias. We often think of AI as impartial, a neutral judge. After all, it's just code, right? The problem is, the data we feed these AI systems, the information they learn from, is often riddled with our own human biases. This means even with the best intentions, we can end up creating AI systems that are unfair, discriminatory, and perpetuate the very inequalities we're trying to overcome. Imagine an AI system designed to help companies hire the best candidates. Sounds great, right? The promise of efficiency and objectivity in hiring is incredibly appealing. But what if the data used to train that AI came from a company with a history of only promoting men? This historical bias can seep into the AI's decision-making process. The AI, none the wiser, learns that being male is a strong indicator of success. It doesn't understand the context or the unfairness behind the data. It starts favoring male candidates, even if they're less qualified on paper. This leads to a cycle where biased decisions reinforce themselves. The bias, baked into the data, gets amplified by the AI. This isn't just hypothetical. It's a real-world issue with significant consequences. Amazon had to scrap its AI recruiting tool because it showed a clear bias against women. The tool was supposed to be neutral, but ended up perpetuating existing inequalities. The data it learned from reflected the tech industry's existing gender imbalance, and the AI simply perpetuated it. This example highlights the importance of addressing bias in AI development. The consequences of biased AI extend far beyond hiring practices and into many critical areas of our lives. In the criminal justice system, algorithms are used to predict the likelihood of someone reoffending, influencing decisions on bail and sentencing. These risk assessment tools are meant to help judges make fairer decisions by providing data-driven insights. But studies have shown that these algorithms can be racially biased, leading to unfair treatment of certain groups. For example, one widely used algorithm wrongly flagged Black defendants as high risk at almost twice the rate as white defendants, causing significant disparities. This means people are getting harsher sentences, not because of what they've done, but because of the color of their skin, perpetuating systemic injustice. And then there's facial recognition technology, which is becoming increasingly prevalent in security and law enforcement.